First, we will open the trunk. We'll use a plastic trim remover tool like this and take out the clip on top and one clip at the bottom. Clips are removed. Then we will grab the cover from right here and then pull the cover downwards. Pull the cover down to a point until you see nuts visible behind the taillight. Using a 10mm wrench, we will take out the first nut right there. I found losing the nut with the tool first and then taking it out with your fingers. This way it would be much faster process to take out the nut. Right underneath that nut is another nut right there that also needs to be taken out using the same process. We will lose it with the tool first and then take it out with our fingers. Before taking out the third nut, we will take out the main plug first. Press and hold the tab in the middle of the plug and then pull the plug outwards to take it out. Once the plug is out, then we will take out this white color bracket right there. And behind that bracket is the third nut right there. Again, lose it with the tool first and then unscrew it with your fingers. Since all the three nuts are out, now we will come at the front and then pull out the tail light. We will rock and roll the tail light until it loses its grip. Once it reaches to a point where we can punch in our fingers, then we will pull it out. And there we were able to take out the tail light completely. Here we have the new tail light and we'll show you how to install. We will carefully punch in the tail light, and once it's completely in, only then we will give it a slight push so that it is installed firm and strong. Seems like it is holding on to the grip and all the edges are also good. Now we will go behind the tail light to punch in the nuts. We will punch in all the three nuts and then tighten them with that 10mm wrench. Notice here I am tightening all these nuts in the first phase. Once I'm done with the third nut, then I am coming back to all these three nuts just to make sure they are completely tight in. Be careful not to over tight these nuts because sometimes they can break in the taillight from behind. Seems like all these three nuts are tight enough. Now I will go ahead and punch in the bracket in that nut right there. Then we'll go ahead and install the main plug. We'll put back the cover where we took it out from, making sure it's aligned on the edges. And then we will install both the clips that we took out earlier in the process. With that, we are done with the replacement of the tail light. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.